Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my morning skincare routine. I'm going to be using products for brighter skin. So I'm going to be using some vitamin C and some antioxidants as well as hydration. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and you can also ring the bell if you would like to be notified every time I upload a new video. This is usually on Wednesdays and Sundays. There's skincare reviews, makeup tutorials, grooming tips and occasional lifestyle and travel vlogs. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my skin with the Rosebrook Hydrating Accelerator. It's been a minute since I cleansed my skin. Normally I would cleanse my skin and go straight into skincare. So before going in with my serums, when my skin's dry, I like to apply a mist. I'm going to spray this into the palm of my hand because I feel like doing it that way, the product goes a lot further than if I mist it onto my face. I always end up using about twice as much product. In this case, I'm going to press it over my eyes, but I try to be careful what I put around my eyes because obviously it's a delicate area and you don't want to put anything on it that is irritating, but this is absolutely fine for me. And then I just press this onto my face very, very gently. It also kind of creates like a little bit of a massage, which is always nice if you want brighter skin. Next up, I'm going to use the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. This has got vitamin C in it. It's got a derivative which I believe is ascorbic glucoside. I'll put links to all the products that I'm using here down below. I heard on Instagram, I think, that apparently, I don't know, this is just what someone said, I don't know if it's true. Apparently vitamin C can help your SPF work better. I don't know if that's true, but it would be good if it does. But either way, I love to use my vitamin C during the day. I did a review on the whole Morning Expert range, which I'll link up above. And in that review, I mentioned that this vitamin C serum does feel, oh God, nearly strangled myself then. It does feel a little bit sticky when it first goes on. Now, I always try to give each layer of my skincare routine like a minute just to settle into the skin before I go in with the next layer. I feel like everything absorbs much better and there's less chance of pilling if I apply any makeup or anything at the end. But already I can kind of feel that this is kind of like sinking into my skin. I'm not using any thick moisturizer or any oil today, so I'm going to add another layer of hydration, and for that I'm using my all-time favorite Marine Hyaluronics. I actually did an online order from YesStyle, which is that incredible online beauty store in Hong Kong, and they, oh my gosh, they have got Korean skincare, Japanese skincare, they've got, oh my gosh, so much. And I'm really excited. I've never really kind of gone into the whole Korean skincare thing, and I'm really kind of interested in it. I've wanted to try the Hada Labo hyaluronic acid for ages. So I ordered that and just a couple of other bits. I only ordered 3 products. So when that arrives, I will kind of do a little first impressions with you guys, and then I'll probably feature the products more as I continue using them, but I'm really excited to receive them and see what they're like. But one of the things that really kind of inspired me to kind of delve into that is that they do love like a lot of essences and toners, and I thought that that could work quite well for me because I love this so much, and this is basically very water-like, so I really do like those watery textures, and I think they do a lot of that in Korean and Japanese skincare, so I'm really excited to kind of learn more about that and see what it's like on my skin. Now it's time for some added antioxidants. This is the Pycnogenol 5% from the Ordinary. I featured that, I'll link it up above, a while ago, and I haven't actually mentioned it much in routines or stuff or posts since, but I'm definitely still using it. I am over halfway through the bottle. I use about 2 drops. I usually use it just during the day. They say on the Ordinary website, I'm sure they say that you should just use it once a day, so I use it during the day. It's this gorgeous reddy orange colour, and I apply 2 drops and rub it together. This is a little bit sticky, so I prefer to, again, press it on and not like rub it, because it's not very slippy, it doesn't kind of glide across the skin. And I also press it across my eyelids because it works okay for me, and I really want to make sure that my eyelids get, and my under eyes get, that antioxidant protection. It's quite nice and warm outside today, so my skin doesn't need that much moisture, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But what I will do is just go in with a little bit of this. This is the NIOD Fractionated Eye Contour Concentrate. I literally just apply 1 drop of this to my fingers, and then, sorry you couldn't see that, and then I just tap it on. This is really great, and it's really nice and light, which is exactly what you want in an eye product, but it's nice and hydrating as well. So what I usually do is just leave this all for about 10 minutes just to really sink into my skin before I then go on with my SPF. Today I'm using the Roche Posay Anthelios XL SPF 50, which I'm always using. I did order from YesStyle a SPF. I heard that the Japanese and Korean SPFs are incredible, so I'm really excited to try one of those and see how it goes. So just to let you know, because I am not standing in front of my bathroom mirror, my skincare application is often a little bit haphazard. And especially when I do my skincare routine on Instagram, I like to do IGTV and Insta Live sometimes, or just sometimes on Insta Stories. And people often say that I'm doing it wrong, or I'm missing bits, or I'm too aggressive. But I think that part of it is trying to talk, not being close to the mirror, not being able to see properly. So it's sometimes a little bit messy. But basically I try to apply the bulk of the product to like my cheeks and my forehead, and then I let it kind of like dry a tiny bit. Like I focus basically on my cheeks and my forehead, and then once that's done I kind of like tap the product into the areas around my eyes, because I'm really sensitive to SPF too close to my eyes. And it just, I find with this SPF I really like it because it's very fluid and liquidy, and it doesn't make my face really white, but it kind of like, once it gets into the skin and like warms up a little bit, even after it's dried down, it can sometimes go into my eyes. So they get really irritated, so I have to be really careful. But at the same time, obviously, I want the SPF to be close to my eyes because it's such a fragile area that I definitely need the UV protection. So that's the way that I'm doing it. And then what I'm going to do off camera is use a different SPF. I've got like a bigger one from Clinique that's for the body, and I use that for my neck and the tops of my ears and kind of everywhere else, because the face ones are so small, and if I use the face one on my face, my neck, my ears, then I just go through it so quickly that it just ends up being really expensive. So by using the face one just on my face and then one for my body on my neck, I just find that it's much more cost effective. I initially planned to put some makeup on today, but I feel like I have been wearing too much makeup recently, in that I'm wearing it when I don't necessarily think that I need to wear it. I do enjoy wearing makeup, it makes me feel happy when I apply it, but I've been wearing it every single day, and I don't think that I need to do that. So today I am just going to leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.